Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about data analytics. Data analytics is very important feature in xBesh. Here you can see all information about your data, like how many projects you have, how many total number of messages you have, how many tokens you have used so far, what is the storage capacity you have used for your project, what are the average messages per chat per project you have. Okay, you can see the detailed token analytics like input tokens you have used, output tokens you have used, and the token efficiency, recent daily activities, peak usage hours, content type, top keywords, chat insights, top conversations. You can check about your recent activities here, performance metrics like what is the average response time for the chat, what is the slowest, what is the fastest, total number of sessions. You can see time based insights like what was the last chat like happened, when was the first chat happened. You can see total messages, how many messages user sent, how many messages assistant like xbesh actually gave as output, number of input tokens ratio, average token chat. So all the information you can have here. Okay, this analytics is very extensive. You can see the monthly activity trend, the comprehensive static summary, and all the information regarding your data. So if you just like come here, you can always click on refresh, and it will fetch all the latest data from your database. Okay, so this is how it works. By the way, this is auto refreshed enabled, so whenever you come on this, it fetches the latest data from your account, and it shows all the real time information for your particular projects, and your all your projects and the tokens and everything you doing in xbash. Okay, so that's how you use your data analytics to understand how it works. In the next video, we will talk about how to save projects to the cloud, how to pull them, how to push them, and this is going to be very informative video. So let's meet, let's catch up in the next video. Okay, thank you.